Meaning of forestry.
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 Forestry. Forestry refers to the activity of planting, managing, and harvesting trees in a particular area, typically for commercial purposes such as timber production. The practice involves a wide range of activities, including forest management, conservation, and restoration. Forestry is essential for preserving natural resources, protecting wildlife habitats, and promoting sustainable development. The benefits of forestry include carbon sequestration, biodiversity, and wood production. Forestry also plays a significant role in the economy, providing jobs and generating revenue from wood products and non-timber forest resources. Overall, forestry is a critical component of environmental and economic sustainability.